Hi everyone, in today's video I'm sharing how to stain paper with tea or coffee or both. This is a simple DIY. I love staining my own paper to give it an antique or withered look for my crafting and journaling projects. And doing it myself means I have total control over the end result and save some money along the way. Step 1. Choose whether to stain with tea or coffee or a combination. I'm using a combo. You can even use a flavored tea like peppermint or hibiscus, and that'll give your paper a hint of that scent. The amount of liquid you need will depend on how much paper you want to stain. Just make sure you have enough liquid to cover the paper. Leave the tea or coffee to brew for about 10 minutes. Step 2. Choose the paper to stain. Plain paper is fine, but you can also use ripped pages from books you're not planning on donating. Step 3. Start soaking the paper. Pour the liquid into a large tray, then add page by page, making sure that each page is completely covered by the liquid before adding another page on top. You can also try only partly covering a page with liquid to give it an interesting effect. You can always experiment and see what you like. Step 4. Leave it soaking for at least 30 minutes. I have actually left ours for 24 hours and it still turned out alright. Step 5. Prepare a baking tray with either baking paper or foil. I used foil here. Preheat the oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 120 degrees Celsius. Step 6. Transfer the paper onto your baking tray, making sure to drip as much liquid off as possible before stacking them on top of each other. You can bake your paper all in one go this way. Step 7. Bake on low heat. It can take anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. Ours took about an hour, but it really depends on how much paper you have in there. Sometimes you might have to pull out the top sheets first because they will dry out faster, so you really need to keep an eye on them. The longer you keep them in there, the browner they get and the more dramatic the effect. Step 8. When satisfied with the brownness of the pages, you can pull them out, leave them to cool, and start getting creative. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a bunch for watching.